Are you tired of manual handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. So hey everyone, welcome back to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. And today I am going to help you create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for your clinic business. And I will also help you to automate reminders for yourself about these particular appointments. And in this, we are going to take 3 simple steps. First, we will create a WhatsApp chatbot, and then whenever any user will send any message, our WhatsApp chatbot will automatically reply them. And if you are ready to learn how I'm going to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you right onto my screen. Hi, I am Jay, and now we are on my screen, and today I am going to help you create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot so that you can automate your clinic business. Now, without any delay, let us focus on this WhatsApp chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And now I am going to show you a real-time example of how this chatbot that I have created will work. So for that, we will open my WhatsApp account. Okay, so this is my WhatsApp account, and you can see this is the number of that clinic for which I have created that particular chatbot. And now I will interact with this bot as a patient, like if I want to book an appointment for myself. So for that, I just have to send a text message to this bot as hello. And after that, you can see this bot has instantly replied me with this list. Now I will open up this list, and you can see I got all of these options inside this list. I can either book a new appointment or reschedule appointment, or I can cancel any of my previous appointments. Also, I can get information about the services that this clinic offers, the clinic hours, or I can click on this contact us button to contact with the customer support agent of this particular clinic. So as today I want to book an appointment for myself, so I will click on this book new appointment, and now I will send this text to this bot. And you can see as soon as I send book new appointment, this bot is now asking me for my name. So I have entered a dummy name, and now I will send this to the bot. And you can see now this bot is asking me for the date which I want to book an appointment for. So I will enter the date as 23rd of August 2025. And now this bot is asking me for the time for which I want to schedule an appointment for myself. Now I will enter the time as 11 a.m. And now you can see this ending message has appeared for us. Hello test user 01. So this was our name. Your appointment at Goodwill Clinic is confirmed for 23rd August 2025 at 11 a.m. And you can see all of those details that I have entered right here are now visible to me in this final confirmation message. So this means that my appointment with Goodwill Clinic has been booked successfully. And this was not it. I have also added this API request inside my chatbot, with the help of which I send all of these responses like name, date and time which my chatbot has captured to Pabbly Connect. And inside this Pabbly Connect, you can see I have integrated this application Google Calendar with Pabbly Connect. And with this integration, I create reminders for myself automatically inside my Google Calendar application. So you can see this is my Google Calendar application. This 23rd of August 2025 was the date, and 11 a.m. was the time which I have selected for my appointment. And you can see my name, Mr. and Mrs. Test User, is also visible under this appointment created right on my calendar. So you just saw the wonders that my chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow can do. And now I will show you how exactly I created this amazing chatbot. And to create this amazing chatbot, you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow. And when you will click on enter, you will land on this landing page of Pabbly, and inside this, on this top right corner, you can see we get two options: sign in and sign up free. So if you are an existing user, then you have to click on this sign in button. But if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on this sign up free button, and from this button you can create your free account. For your information, let me tell you that Pabbly Chatflow gives every new user 100 free credits every month to create such amazing chatbots. Now before moving further, let me share with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. So Pabbly has an amazing Facebook community of more than 20,000 subscribers, and by joining in this community you can share your ideas, you can ask your questions, and you can get support from both our team members and your fellow users. So if you also want to be part of such an amazing community, then for you I will add a link of this Facebook community in the description box of this video, so you can join our Facebook community from there. And now, as I am an existing user, so I will click on this sign in button, and hereafter I will land on this all apps page of Pabbly, inside which Pabbly has 7 amazing and powerful applications. But today, first we will be using Pabbly Chatflow. So right now I will click on this Access Now button, and after that you will land on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. And inside this dashboard, the first thing you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number. So to add your WhatsApp number, you have to click on this add WhatsApp number option given right here, and after that you can select any of these 2 methods given here, WhatsApp Connect or manual token connect, to connect your WhatsApp number to Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to learn in detail how you can add your WhatsApp number to Chatflow, so you can refer to the video we have added in the description box of this video. And on this left side here you can see various options are available to us: dashboard, inbox, contact, team queue, templates, broadcast, flows, settings, and others. If you want to learn about any of these options, you can also check the videos given in our description box. So now I have to create a flow, a chat flow for myself. So I will click on this flows button, and after that I will select this flows option, and you can see I have landed on this flow builder right here. And this was the chatbot that I had shown you in the beginning of this video. Now, as I want to create exactly same chatbot, so first of all I will turn off this chatbot, and then I will click on this save button. And after that we will go back to the flows, and then we have to click on this add flow button to start creating a new chat flow. So I will click on this add flow button, and now I can start creating a chat flow for myself. But before that I would like to give my chatbot a meaningful name: WhatsApp Chatbot for Goodwill Clinic. And now I can start creating this chatbot. So first of all I would set up a trigger for my chatbot. Trigger is like the event on the occurrence of which I would like my chatbot to get triggered. So for today I would select my trigger event as keyword or regex match, because I want to set some specific keywords like hello, book appointment, etc., so that my chatbot can get triggered whenever it receives these particular keywords in text message. But you can also use any one of these following trigger events. So now I have selected my trigger event, and then I will add those particular keywords on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. So you can see I have added these following keywords: hello, appointment, and clinic. And if you want to learn how you can add these keywords inside this enter keyword box, then you just have to type down the keyword which you want to enter. Like I have typed down this book, and now I will click on this enter, and you can see our keyword is added successfully. And I can also add this regex code, which stands for regular expressions, and we use this regex code when we want to extract some particular keywords from a particular sentence. But for now I will be skipping this regex code, as I want my chatbot to get triggered with the help of these following keywords. So I have successfully set up my trigger, and now I want to set up a list as a welcome message to my patient. And let me show you that as soon as the patient send a text message to my chatbot hello, the chatbot has instantly sent this list in the reply of that particular text message. So first of all I have to set up a list for my chatbot. So to set up a list, you just have to go on this list option given in this left side here. You have to click on this, and then you have to drag this list from here, and you have to drop this list box here. And then you have to connect this big circle with small circle. So now we will create a list for ourselves. So first of all, I want to enter a header for my list. So I will enter this hello there as a header of my list. And inside this body, I will enter this text: welcome to Goodwill Clinic, how can we help you today? And then we have to add sections in our list. And inside this WhatsApp, you can see when I will open my list, you can see two sections are visible to us. First one is this appointment section and the other one is this information section. So I will create two different sections inside my list. So the title of my first section will be appointments, and then I will add three different items: book new appointment, reschedule appointment, and cancel appointment. You can add as many items as you want by just clicking on this add items button. So this was my first item, then I will click again for my second item, then I will click again for my third item. And now I will quickly add the titles of all of these three items. And you can see I have entered the title of all of these three items. First one as book new appointment, second as reschedule appointment, and third as cancel appointment. Now just like this, I will add the section title and item title of my second section. And here you can see I have also added the second section of my list, information, and I have again added three different items: service provided, office hours, and contact us. And with this, I have successfully completed the list for myself. And now as I want to send a different message for each of these items, so I will set up each of these items separately. I will add three questions in the next step if any patient clicks on this book new appointment. So if you want to ask your patient any question, then you have to go on this action given right here. Then you have to click on this ask question button, and you have to drag this ask question button like this and drop on this here. So after that, you have to connect these two following circles like this to make sure that your chatbot sends this particular question after any user clicks on book new appointment. So now I will ask a question to my patient as, great, can you please share your name? And also you can see this second drop down here, select contact custom field is given to me. And we create contact custom field when we want to store some details of our user with ourselves. Like if I want to save the name of this user, so I will create a particular contact custom field like this. You can see I have created this contact custom field name right here and I have selected it. And if you want to create contact custom field for yourself, then you can create a contact custom fields by going on this second setting option, and inside that you have to go on this contact custom fields. And after that, you can see all of the contact custom fields that I have created for myself are visible here. So if you want to add some more contact custom field, then you can click on this add more field. Then you have to enter a field name like this email, phone, you can add anything, and then you have to click on this save button. And after saving a contact custom field, when I will come on this question and then when I will click on this drop down here, all my contact custom field will get visible to me. So as I want to save the name of my patient, so I will select this particular contact custom field. And after that, I have to select a format in which I want to accept my customer's text message. So for that, as I am asking the name of the patient, so I will select this text as the format. And now you can see I have successfully asked this question. And just like this, as I want to ask three continuous questions, so I will click on this copy right here, and you can see this second question box got created in front of me. And when I will again click on this copy button, this third question box also got created in front of me. And now I have to change the text message inside both of these questions. And you can see I have changed the message inside both of these questions. In the second question, I have asked for the date, and in the third question, I have asked patient to select time which he wants. And you can also see I have also selected these two different custom fields. For date, I have selected this custom field date, and for time, I have selected this custom field time. And now I will connect all of these following circles to ensure that these following questions go one after one. And you can see inside this WhatsApp chat, when the user gave all of these answers, and after that this end message was sent to that particular patient with the details that he provided to us. So now I will go back to Pabbly Chatflow, and after that I will select this text plus button option as I want to send a final message to my user. And now, first of all, I will connect these following circles and then I will enter my text message. And now, as we know that all of the patients will have different names, they will select different dates and different times for their appointment. So to allow Pabbly Chatflow to automatically change all of those details, I will use this format $sign and then name, and I will use the same format to show selected date and time by the patient. And here you can see I have successfully completed the end message, and with this I have successfully completed the setup of my first button, book new appointment. And after that I will set up this second option, like if any patient selects reschedule appointment, then also I want to ask him this particular question, name, date and time of appointment. And now I will move towards my third option, cancel appointment. So I want that whenever any patient clicks on this cancel appointment, I want to send him a particular text message. And to send him a text message, I will drag this text button from there and I will drop this text button here, and then I will connect these following circles like this, and then I will enter the message which I want to send my patient whenever he clicks on this cancel appointment. For that I will send them this particular text message, are you sure you want to cancel your appointment? And after that I will add two different buttons for them. First one will be yes, cancel, and second one will be no, not now. So just like this I have entered the text inside both of my buttons, and whenever that particular patient clicks on any of these following buttons, I want to send them again a confirmation message. So to send a text message, I will again bring in this text button right here, and then I will connect both of these following, and then I will enter my message which I want to send to my patient as this: all right, your appointment will be cancelled soon and you will receive an email after that. And if the user clicks on no, not now, then as I do not want to take any action, so that's why I will not further set up this particular option. So with this I have completely set up the first section of my list, and you can see I have completely set up all of these three items given under this first section, appointment, so that whenever a user clicks on book new appointment, then this text will be delivered to him. When he clicks on the reschedule appointment, then this text will get delivered to him. And if he clicks on this cancel appointment, then these particular texts will get delivered to him. And just like this, I will also complete the setup of my second section, informations. And you can see I have also completed the setup of my second section, information. Like if the user clicks on this service provided, then this particular text message will get delivered to him with all those services which I provide in my clinic. And in this particular message, I have also added this button, book appointment, so that if the patient wants to get any of these following services, then he can book an appointment for himself by directly clicking on this book appointment button given right here. And for that I will connect this circle with this question that we will ask him after he clicks on book appointment: great, can you please share your name? So you can see I have connected both of these following circles. And for this second item, office hours, I have also added this message providing the details about the office hours for which our clinic remains open. And you can see I have also added this book appointment button in this text message. And then for this third item of ours, this contact us button, whenever the patient clicks on this contact us button, this particular message with this text, please wait, our executive will call you in some time, will get delivered to his screen. So with this, I have successfully completed the setup of my list. Now I want to add one more thing inside this chatbot. I want to add two different options, add tag and API request inside this chatbot. I am adding tag because tags help us organize conversations based on the topic, user intent or type of user. For example, like if we are creating this chatbot for our business, so if someone is asking about the pricing of this product, then we can tag that particular user as sales. So for this particular chatbot, I want to give tag to my new patients as new appointment. So you can see this is the tag that I have created for my patient's new appointment, and I have selected this tag like this. So if you also want to create a tag for yourself, then you can create a tag by clicking on this create tag given right here, and then you can give a name to your tag, and then when you will click on this add tag button, your tag will get added automatically, and then it will appear on this drop down given right here. So you can see I have successfully added this tag. So now I will connect these two following circles like this, and I am also adding this another option, API request, with the help of which I want to send the data that the chatbot will capture: name, date and time. I want to send all of these following details to Pabbly Connect. So to connect my Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, I will add this API request, and now I will set up this API request. And to set up this, I have to click on this pencil given right here, and after that I have to select one of these following options. For now, as I want to post the details to Pabbly Connect, so I will click on this post button, and after that I have to enter or paste a URL which we will get from Pabbly Connect. So you can see this is my Pabbly Connect account, and I have already prepared this workflow for myself. So first of all, in my trigger application, I have selected this webhook by Pabbly, and in my trigger event, I have selected this catch webhook, and then I got this webhook URL by Pabbly Connect, which we have to copy this from here, and then we have to follow these following steps to successfully connect this URL with Pabbly Chatflow. But as I will be showing you directly, so what I will do, I will go back to my Pabbly Chatflow and I will paste that particular webhook URL here. And now I have to enter these following fields which I want to send to Pabbly Connect. So I will send 3 fields to Pabbly Connect. So I have selected these 3 fields, and now in this key I will type down the name of these following fields as name, date and time, and after that I will select the contact custom details. Like this was the contact custom field which I have created to record the name of the patient, so I will select this in front of this key name. And for the date I will repeat the same process, and for the time I will again repeat the same process. So you can see I have successfully selected all the fields which I want to send to Pabbly Connect, and after that I will click on this test button to send all of these following data to Pabbly Connect. Now we must remember to click on this save button to successfully save my API request. So I will click on this save button, and our API request is saved successfully. And after that, our work inside this Pabbly Chatflow has been completed successfully. Now we will access our Pabbly Connect account and we will work further on that. So if you want to access Pabbly Connect, you have to go on this all apps page of Pabbly, which you will come on when you will click on the sign in button inside this landing page. And after that, you have to click on this access now button inside this Pabbly Connect box. And after that, you will land on this dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And here you can see this was the workflow that I had just shown you, and inside this workflow we have worked on this webhook by Pabbly, where we have added this webhook URL inside the Pabbly Chatflow. And now we will check if we have received the response that we had just sent from Pabbly Chatflow or not. So in this response received, you can see we have received these 3 following fields of time, name and date with this contact custom fields in front of them. And now I will work on my action step. So in my action step, I have added this Google Calendar because I want to set up a reminder for myself in my Google Calendar application. That's why in my action application, I have selected Google Calendar, and in my action event, I have selected this create a event all day. And after that, when I will click on this connect button, then I have to give Pabbly Connect access to my Gmail account, and after that all of these following fields will get visible to you. And then we have to fill up these following fields. Like you can see inside this calendar, Pabbly Connect has automatically detected my Gmail account, and inside this title of the reminder, I have typed down as Goodwill Clinic Appointments as the title for my reminder. And inside this description box, I have typed down as you have an appointment scheduled with Mr. and Mrs. name at this particular time. So You can also observe that inside this description box, I have typed down certain data manually, and for some data like name and time, I have take help of mapping to map this following data. And if you want to map data, then you can map data by simply clicking on this box right here, and then all the responses that you have captured in your previous step. We had captured these 3 responses in our trigger step. So if I want to map the time, then I will click on this time, and you can see our time is mapped. And for this location, I have typed down Bhopal as the location of my clinic, and to enter the following date, Pabbly Connect will only accept the date if it is in this particular format. Otherwise, we will not receive a response. So to change the format of our date, I have took help of another feature by Pabbly Connect, date and time formatter. So in my action application, I have selected this date and time formatter by Pabbly, and my action event, I have selected this format date only. And inside this date field, I have mapped the date given to us by our previous trigger step, webhook by Pabbly, and you can see this was the date that we had received in the response. So I have just clicked on this, and the date got mapped. And in this from format, I have selected the same format which we have given in this example right here. This is the from format that I have selected, and this particular format is the format in which Pabbly Connect accepts the date to set reminders inside this Google Calendar application. So in my to format, I have selected this particular format from all of these formats given here. And after that, I have clicked on the save and send test request, and then I will go on my second action, my Google Calendar action step, and inside this date option, I will map the date that we had received from the response that we have captured in our second step, date and time formatter. And you can see this is the date that we had received, and the result of this particular date you can see is invalid right now because of this response date given to us right here. And you can see as this was not the particular date, that's why our response that we have received in this particular date and time formatter is shown to us as invalid date. But when I will enter a particular date in a particular format, then automatically we will receive a date in this particular format. But for now, I will map the date in the format received by us in this action step, date and time formatter. And you can see I have mapped start date like this, and I will also map the end date like this. And for this time zone, I have selected Asia Kolkata as my local time zone. And for this visibility, I have selected public as the visibility. And now I will click on the save and send test request button. And now we will go on my WhatsApp, and then we will test and check if the chatbot is working properly or not. So this is my WhatsApp account, and now I will send this chatbot a text message as hello. And you can see after this message, this chatbot has sent me this particular list. So I will open up this list, I will click for the services provided, and then I will send this message to the bot. And you can see the bot has provided me all of these services in which this particular clinic deals. And now I want to book an appointment for myself. So I will click on this book appointment button given right here to me. And after that, you can see the bot is asking me for my name. So I will enter my name as testuser02. And after that, it will ask me for the date which I want to select for myself. So I will enter the date as 25th of August 2025. And after that, it will ask me for the time which I want to select for my appointment. So I will select my time as 12 p.m. And then I will again send this message. And you can see after that, this end message has been got delivered to us with the details that we have just provided. So you can see this was my name, this was my date, and this was my selected time. This means that Pabbly Chatflow has successfully captured all of these following details given by me. And now I will go on my Google Calendar and I will check if any new reminder has been created or not. So this is my Google Calendar. And you can see on this 25th of August 2025, a new appointment with this particular name, testuser02 at 12 p.m. has been scheduled successfully. This means that the chatbot that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow is working all good. And now I will open my Pabbly Connect account to show you how the response has changed after we have successfully entered real date, time and name. So you can see this is my Pabbly Connect account, and inside this webhook by Pabbly, inside this response, you can see we have received the time as 12 p.m, name as this test user 02 and date as 25th of August 2025. And inside this date time formatter, our response has also changed. As you can see, this date got captured, which was earlier being shown to us as invalid date, and now this particular date has been changed according to the format that we have selected right here. So I have successfully shown you how you can also create such an amazing chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you also want to create such amazing chatbot for yourself, then you just have to go on a new tab and enter pabbly.com/chatflow, and from there you can create your free account, and with the help of those 100 free credits given to every user, you can create and test such amazing chatbots. And I hope that you liked this video, and please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel. Not only this, you can create various WhatsApp chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubt, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit us at this website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.